Hey business buddies! Looking for awesome animated videos to boost your sales and impress clients? Well, you're in the right place. Meet our specialty 2D animated explainer videos. Why 2D? Because it's not just a video, it's like having a fun, engaging, and budget-friendly party for your business. Imagine your story coming to life with cool characters and easy-to-understand storytelling. 2D animated videos not only entertain but also teach your audience, making your brand super memorable. In a world where videos are the talk of the town, animation is the secret sauce. It adds excitement, fun, and a bit of magic to your content. Because showing off your brand is a big deal for marketing success. But wait, there's more. With us, you get the whole package: pro voiceovers, royalty-free background music, full HD 1080p video, unlimited revision until you are satisfied. So, why wait? Let's turn your ideas into a super cool 2D animated masterpiece that shows off your brand. Your success story starts here. Don't miss out on the fun of 2D animation. Contact us now, and let's make your brand shine.